Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. We are going to Dollar General because Dollar General they still have a dollar item, same item as what Dollar Tree carries. So save the 25 cents per each item by going to Dollar General. Take note, not all Dollar Tree items will find at Dollar General, although Dollar General carries like a little bit similar, what Dollar Tree, Dollar 25 items. So let's have a walkthrough and see what we could find. Let's go! It's the best day to go to Dollar General is Saturday, where you can use the $5 off when you purchase $25. I think, yeah. But keep in mind, not all items will be included on the $5 off. Just make sure you have $30 in your basket so the $5 off will be taken off.
You just need to decorate it. Wow. It's been a long time I have not been to Dollar General. There's so many things you could look.
And don't forget, Dollar General, they have a lot of decorations, Some of them are affordable, some of them reasonable, some of them are
And how much is
not reasonable. So I really like the lampshade. The style is just kind of like
okay?
farmhouse and elegant,
So what does
high end. That is a wrong place. That is I think it's a toilet holder.
About it.
Yeah, but it's not a lampshade or lamp.
Today, anybody need clock, like a vintage looking clock? Oh, this is kind of velvet. And it's $10. Okay, let's get in here. Oh, lost socks. $6. Oh, I like this one. Oh, it comes with a thing. It's heavy. Oh, $5. Oh, it's $15. 3, 6, 9, 12. So you can put 12 pieces. Pictures. This is pretty. How much is this? It's kind of light. It's not heavy. It is $8. Like a decoration, I like that. Anybody use this one wrinkle away spray? I wonder if this work. Let's see. Direction: spray on dry clothes, smooth and tag with hands. Layer blend. This is the picture. Baby lotion. Let's see the ingredients. Okay, the ingredients: mineral oil. Okay, they have alcohol. They have toothbrush for $1. And a different kind of alcohol, wintergreen and hydrogen peroxide. What are you needing? Those 3 for $1. They have the portion cups, 10 pounds with lids to put all your sauces. Handy. because dollar store is not dollars anymore, so we go here to Dollar General. They still have a dollar. What is this sink strainer for $1? Duster. Because $1.03 is $1.25, but here it's $1. Dryer sheet. Look at that. Hawaiian. Tie this with oxy. Those are $1. So kind of hoping they're not gonna go up. Fabric refreshener. These for the fridge. Oh, insects repellent. But it's just only 4-pack, and there's only 1 pack. At least this is $1. It's not $1.25. And they have lavender. This is scent. Oh, they have this one. 42 count, 24 count, 18. Whole fork. There's all the way to the top. Okay, we're at the lake. Nautical section. They have $1. The towel. Oh, you can use this one. They're $1. I know I always like dollar store, but this is only $1. Oh, bathroom organizer.
And now some decorations are not dollar anymore. It's like $3, $2, and $4. But some of them you can still get $1.
$8. And these $8. Okay. $5. And this is $4. It's not dollars. Home sweet home. Oh, $3. Hi. What's going on? Everything is $3. What happened to $1? Oh, this is $7. Okay, so it's not dollar anymore. Like it comes with the color. It's $5.
That's it for now, guys. Hopefully you like the videos, and don't forget to check the next videos and the previous videos. Don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. It's Ma'am Sky. Bye.